So I'm speaking Spanish in this video, and this section is greetings, introductions, and farewells, just for this video. So I'm attempt my best at saying these words. Well, I will give the definition in Spanish, or of the sentence, and then the letter, the greetings, whatever. So let's start. Buenos días means good morning. ¿Hay alguien? Is anyone there? El placer es mío. The pleasure is mine. Let's see. They have it blah blah blah. Okay, so. ¿Cómo va la vida? How's life? Bien, muy bien. Good, very well. And then that, and then. Con permiso, excuse me. Permítame, allow me. Come on, who the fuck says permítame? I sure don't. Con gusto, with pleasure. Perdone, pardon me, excuse me. Sin falta, by all means. Ahora mismo, right away. Al minuto, right away. ¿Cómo no? Or did I even say that? ¿Cómo no? ¿Cómo no? It has an accent and you're supposed to say ¿cómo no? But of course, sure. ¿Cómo no? Oh yeah, when I was taking Spanish, the teacher would, you know what? You would say something and then she would be like, is that a question or is that a statement? I'm like, a statement? Because you know what I mean? You would be like, I don't know, but I would just say it, doubting myself, and then with a, I don't know, I would be like, blah blah blah, huh? I mean, the teacher would be like, is that a statement or is that a question? I was like, a statement? She's like, you're right, got it. I'm like, okay. Okay, now continuing. ¿Qué hora tiene? What time do you have? ¿Me dice la hora? Can you tell me the time? ¿Podría usted decirme qué hora es? Could you please tell me what time it is? Llegó justito. Llegó justito. I'm just in the nickel of time. I'm just in the nickel of time. Whatever that means. Aún es temprano. It's still early. Es la 1:30. It's 1:30. No llego. I'll never make it. Ya llegó tarde. I'm already late. Ya llegó tarde means I'm already late. I thought it would be ya llegué tarde. Oh no, I don't know. The book is right because the book is always right. Just my slang. And then el tiempo vuela, time flies. Vámonos, let's go. Estamos listos, we're ready. Or and then in Spanish you would say, if you're two females, you would be like estamos listas. You would not, and if it's a girl and a guy, you would say estamos listos. That's what I hear about Spanish. They add masculine and feminine to each word, so it's like masculine and then feminine. So if you say this, then you have to say it properly, and then it's annoying. I hate that because I just watch too much. I watch too much TV in Spanish, and you know it's usually women, and then you see soap operas in Spanish, and then you say the girl's always talking. Girls are always talking in the Spanish soap operas. And well, since I used to it's always a girl, I used to always repeat what they say. You know, you learn like that. You learn that way. And there's stuff that I used to say that I thought was didn't have a what's that word? Did I have masculinity or femininity? So, because in English you don't really see that. You don't see, like, friend means friend. You know what I mean? If you have a friend that's a girl, it's a friend. If you have a friend that's a guy, it's a friend. If in Spanish, if you have a friend that's a girl, it's una amiga, amiga. And in Spanish, it's amigo. So you confuse it, and then that will confuse it, and then it's just so awkward looking back at it, because you know what, you feel like an idiot because you're talking and then you're you know, it's like I'm talking and then I'm saying that I'm a girl. You know what I mean? Or I'm saying that someone's a girl. I'm labeling them feminine. I'm labeling them as a girl because I'm saying to them something in Spanish when it means it's for a feminine. It's for a dama. It's for a lady. And then I go up messing it up. Okay, let's continue. ¿Qué tal el viaje? How was your trip? ¿Cómo te les las? ¿Cómo fue? ¿Cómo te fue? ¿Cómo le fue? ¿Cómo les fue? How was it? I'm glad you're back. Me alegro de que estén de vuelta. Just too much. Hogar, dulce hogar. Home, sweet home. Buenos días, clase. Good morning, class. Fíjense bien. Pay attention. Ahora presenten atención. Now pay attention. Yeah, I'm gonna skip the in class ones because I don't like those. Your family. Oh, I'm gonna skip your family. Because they have sentences and you have to repeat them, and I don't want to repeat them. Okay, this is different. And supposedly when it has an accent, you're supposed to raise the O, or not raise the O. It has an O here, but you have to speak louder because it has an accent and blah blah blah. It's like, so it's don. You're supposed to say don. Y'all know what I mean? Like you don't say don. You say don. I assume. Okay, I messed up that one. Let's do another one because I messed up that one. Okay, so let's look at que. So it's you would not say que. You would say que. I don't know. You would say que. Oh, you would not say cuál. You would say cuál. So funny. ¿Puedes hacerlo? Sí, claro, puedo hacerlo. Can you believe it? Oh, now, okay, see, now I'm messing up. I'm messing up all the words. My eyes are everywhere. Yeah, I cannot read. I'm gonna skip that one too. I'm gonna skip everything now because I cannot read anymore. Okay, so yeah, that's it. This video is already about 9 minutes. And it has a bunch of more, it goes on. Too much to read. And sorry for about messing up that don. It wasn't actually don, it was donde. So when I said don, it was meant to say donde. Not don. Don is donde. I don't know, it's just learning Spanish is sort of weird and funny in its own way. I mean, the only thing I liked about Spanish was that we used to do a lot of art stuff. So you would I don't know, but and we did a bunch of art stuff when I was in Spanish class. That's the only reason I like Spanish, because you would do a bunch of art stuff, and it's beautiful. Because like where I went to school, I mean, just depends. You don't really what teacher you get and stuff. You don't really do arts, and it's just about lecture, book, lecture, book, reading, essay, blah blah blah, and then it was different because I don't know, but you know what I mean. Some teachers make it so amazing. And I just have to recall what I did. I still have a bunch of the papers from that class saved. I have a bunch of papers from Spanish class saved because I've read a bunch of I read a bunch of articles in Spanish that were interesting to me and relating to Latin America, not Spain, because I don't know why, but most of the papers we read had to do with Latin America, with Mexico, Central America, kinda, but mostly would also focus on South America mostly, so it just depends. But I hated the, what's it called, when you have to, when they included the Spanish from Spain. I didn't like that. I don't know about you, but I don't know like that they included the Spanish from Spain or whatever, because they also use it in Central America. In some parts of Latin America, they use the O's, the blah 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 blah, O's this, O's that, O's that, O's always, and I don't know. I seen that as a waste of time learning that. That one always messed me up. The O's, or I don't even know what it's called, but it's oi something like that. Okay, I'm ending this video already. Bye.